Sore coach.
Sore.
Ada bangku.
Check the velocity. Just because there was a thing that was penalties that you see. And also number 23 and number 41 must have the second record if you analyze. We analyze the coach and the Virabados
And all the ball is us. All the ball, we need to win. All the duel, we go put on the head. We need to win this duel. We need to win this duel. Because if we start to win this duel, another team going to go down. For sure. For sure. And we can score. We can score. A long time we not win on the league, guys. A long time. Let's win the arena. Let's win the arena. Long time ago. So let's go to win. Let's go to change this today. Let's go to change this.
When we win the last time for Liga 1?
Terakhir menang kapan Liga 1, ha?
Arema, too much far away.
Terlalu lama.
I don't remember.
Sudah terlalu lama. Saya bahkan tidak ingat bagaimana kita menang.
Huh? You remember when we play against Dewa at home?
Kalian ingat lawan?
You remember?
Lawan Dewa.
We start winning 1-0.
Kita memimpin 1-0.
We have many opportunities.
Banyak peluang.
Many opportunities. They don't have one shoot to our goal.
Mereka bahkan tidak nembak satu kali pun, tidak shoot satu kali pun ke gawang kita.
Second half, one cross, first opportunity, goal.
Babak kedua, cross pertama, gol. 1-1.
Erwin Merakart, go out. We play one less player.
Main dengan satu orang.
We try to win the match, and after last minute, offensive transition goal. So guys, when finish the match, how you feel?
Bagaimana perasaan kalian waktu kalah?
You feel happy when finish the match?
Bahagia tidak?
Now the football give this opportunity was.
Dan ini kita ada kesempatan lagi.
They think that we are dead, that we cannot run.
Mereka pasti pikir kalian capek semuanya, udah nggak bisa lari.
But we are from Makassar.
Tapi kita dari Makassar, teman-teman.
Sini Apache. Last game that we make for Liga 1, you remember against Persija?
Terakhir kita main di Liga 1 lawan Persija.
Full stadium, support us.
Pendukung semua datang.
Too much rain. Supporters make big trouble. And unfortunately,
Berjalan jauh.
we not win when the club make 108 years of history.
Kita tidak bisa menang. Pada saat itu kita juga peringati 108 tahun ulang tahun klub kita.
Some of these supporters make travel go to Singapore to support you.
Dan beberapa dari supporter ini juga melakukan perjalanan ke Singapura untuk dukung
And
kalian.
I saw supporters very happy for the 3 point that you catch there.
Dan saya lihat wajah-wajah kebahagiaan mereka pada saat kita ambil 3 poin di Singapura.
But I want to see 1,000 of supporters that go to the rain, that make travel to Pare-Pare, happy today.
Tapi saya mau lihat 1.000 atau bahkan lebih daripada itu pendukung kita yang datang ke Pare-Pare yang waktu kita kalah lawan Persija sekarang tersenyum di rumah mereka.
Nobody going to give us nothing.
Tidak ada yang bakalan berikan kalian hal free,
If
gratis.
we
Tidak ada.
not run more the opponent team,
Kalau
we
kita
not win.
kalah lebih dari mereka,
You remember our identity.
ingat identitas kita tidak.
You remember? Be aggressive.
Agresif,
Be intense.
berikan intensitas
Be focused.
dan fokus.
Guys, 1 point bagus. But 3 point fantastic. 3 point fantastic.
3 poin itu luar biasa.
Important. Bagus defense. Bagus offensive position. Bagus
Menyerang bagus.
position. And
Dan
focus.
posisi bertahan bagus.
Support your teammate.
Saling dukung di dalam lapangan.
Respect the referee. Respect the opponent team.
Hargai lawan.
And show for your teammate that you deserve to be on the team. You want to win?
Pelatih, pemain, serta para ofisial, sebelum kita memulai pertandingan malam ini, mari kita bersama-sama membaca doa. Semoga di pertandingan ini kita diberikan keselamatan.
Amin.
Dan insya Allah di akhir pertandingan kita diberikan kemenangan.
Amin.
Doa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Very good, Bang Sarai.
Gol untuk PSM Makassar dicetak oleh pemain nomor punggung 88 Masarai Victor Nabar.
Wasit. Merah itu wasit. Merah wasit. Ih. Ini. Tepat.
It's not fantastic, but we must be happy. So put away.
Tidak luar biasa, tapi patut kita syukuri.
Last minutes they have big chances, and also we have chances.
Di menit-menit terakhir mereka punya 2 peluang emas, tapi kita juga punya peluang bagus.
So now guys, try to enjoy these 3 days in the good way.
3 hari kalian ini, tapi nikmati.
Who is injured, try to recover quickly.
Dan cedera, coba untuk memulihkan diri cepat.
Okay, on 16 afternoon we start training.
Latihan dimulai tanggal 16 sore.
Don't forget 23 we play on Parepare against Persikabo.
Jangan lupa pertandingan selanjutnya tanggal 23 kita main di Parepare.
And you know that Persikabo now many new players, so
kalian tahu banyak pemain yang mereka datangkan.
So we need to enjoy the 3 days that we give to you, with your family, with your friends as you want. But when you come back, mentality strong.
Nikmati 3 hari kalian, dengan keluarga. Dan pada saat kembali, kondisi mental kalian harus sudah kuat kembali untuk menatap lagu selanjutnya.
Okay guys, anyone want to speak? Yes. Kalau selamat,
Arti kantor. Arti kantor.
Want to speak? Okay, Roy want to speak.
Ya teman-teman, penerbangan kita dimajukan 10 menit. Saya akan kirim jadwal terbaru nanti. Intinya kita akan berangkat 10 menit lebih awal. Okay?
In English?
We're gonna leave 1 minute early because the airline has put the flight. No, the airline has put the flight 10 minutes early.
1 minute.
Doesn't apply to you. Doesn't apply to you. Apply to them.
Okay, let's go play.
Ya, pelatih pemain serta para ofisial mengakhiri pertandingan malam ini. Mari kita berdoa. Berdoa mulai. Berdoa selesai.